Okay, we want to learn how to schedule a meeting in Zoom, schedule an online meeting using Zoom, or start a meeting using Zoom. So, first of all, you have to have a Zoom account. I already have a Zoom account, and because I have a Zoom account, I also need to download the Zoom app on my Android phone. I have the Zoom app, I have a Zoom account. All I need to do is to log in. I tap the Zoom app on my Android phone to go in, and I can join the meeting straight without signing in. I can sign up if I don't already have an account, Zoom account. But since I already have a Zoom account, I can sign in. I type in sign in. I put in my email password. I'm signing in. Okay, I've connected. So now I can start a meeting immediately, or I can join a existing meeting with user ID and meeting ID and passcode. I can schedule my own meeting. The essence is to schedule a meeting. I can share screen. So let me schedule a meeting. Click on schedule a meeting. I put the meeting title, which is okay. This is the meeting title. Date of the meeting is 17. Set it, and the time is 1 p.m. Change it to p.m. The 1:30 p.m. I can make it 1:50 p.m. 1:50 p.m. I set it. Then the time zone is okay. Repeat. I don't want it to repeat. One of the one-off meeting. Okay, if I want it to repeat, I can choose every month. Okay, let me make it monthly meeting. Every month, I don't need to come back here and initiate a meeting. So, um, and okay, repeat never. So it will be here continuously. Okay, do I want to use my personal ID as the meeting ID? Enable it. Yes, you might not need to generate another meeting ID for you. I already given a passcode. Okay. Um, require meeting passcode. Only users who have the invite link or passcode can join the meeting. If I want only people with the invitation link, invite link to join the meeting, I enable this. If I don't want anybody to join, whether invited or not, I enable this. Okay, but I want it, so let me just enable it. So you have a passcode, and if I want people to be in the waiting room, I want to be admitting people in the waiting room. Okay, I want you don't just join the meeting, be in the waiting room. I'll certify you and then bring you in to be sure must be part of the meeting. And if I want everybody to sign in before joining the meeting, I don't want a guest member. I enable this. Then I'll choose a method. I want them to sign into Zoom, but I don't want anybody to can sign as a guest, so I disable it. Now, host video on. I don't want it. Participate video on. No, I don't want it. And add to calendar. Yes, I want it to be added to calendar. So I'm okay. I leave it this way. And I'll go to done. Let me remove this. Or can I say done? have schedule meeting, click on done. When I'm through, turn off the meeting. Okay, this is the invite for the meeting. Zoom meeting invitation, PTA meeting for Nigeria. That's the heading. Lad is inviting you. You can still edit this and change any, can edit it if you want. Okay, topic. This is the topic, the time, and now there's join Zoom meeting, HTTPS. Have it here. You can join this meeting as they send this invite to you by clicking on this link. Alternatively, you can just sign in, put the meeting ID and the passcode given here. Okay, so I'm going to invite somebody. You can invite as many people as possible to this meeting. Okay, I'm inviting this. You can invite all the people you want to be in the meeting. You send their email addresses and send. Okay, so you've sent to them. When the time comes, they will join the meeting. And you have the option to start the meeting. You have the start. You can start the meeting. And you remember it's a recurring meeting because we made it to be every month. These are the details. Okay. You also have invite. In case you need to invite a new person, you can invite the person. Okay, let's go back. Let's just go out. So on the day of the meeting, you just get to your Zoom account, go in, go to meeting. You see meeting down here. Okay, just click on it, the meeting. So this is the meeting we have here, the recording meeting, PTA meeting for Nigeria. This is the one I just scheduled to start. I can click on start and start the meeting. I click on start here and start the meeting, or on above you have start, send invitation and edit. You can send invitation to some other person. I click on it through Gmail or messages, SMS. I can decide to edit the meeting. Let me edit the details of the meeting, clicking on the edit button, and I may decide to say no. I don't want people to wait in the room. I want them to join straight. I just remove this. So enable waiting room disabled and then save. Okay. So this is how to schedule a meeting. Hope you enjoyed the training. Thank you for watching.